Embark on a delightful expedition of giggles and discovery with smiles and surprises. A specially crafted adventure designed for our youngest explorers. This magical experience is a vibrant introduction to the wonderful world of animals, transforming learning into pure, joyful play. From the first cheerful greeting, your little one will be immersed in a wonderland where soft lambs, goats are among the oldest domesticated animals, raised by humans for over 10,000 years. Goats belong to the same family as sheep, called bovidae. Goats are raised for milk, meat, wool, and companionship. Goats have rectangular pupils, which help them see a wide view, almost 320 degrees around. Spoonbills are wading birds, meaning they live and feed in shallow wetlands, marshes, and lakes. Spoonbills live on every continent except Antarctica. Spoonbills feed by swinging their bills side to side through shallow water. Spoonbills are large, elegant birds, standing up to 1 meter, 3 feet tall. Deer are crepuscular, meaning they are most active at dawn and dusk, and their eyes are perfectly adapted for this. Deer have a highly developed sense of smell, which is their primary means of communication. They possess 7 different external glands that secrete scents. Deer are incredibly resilient animals. Ibises belong to the Thresciornithidae family, which also includes spoonbills. Ibises are omnivorous, feeding on insects, crustaceans, small fish, frogs, and sometimes plants. Ibises are social birds. Ibises communicate with low croaks or honks, especially during breeding season. Frogs begin their life in water as tadpoles, which have gills and a tail. Frog skin can breathe and absorb water. Many species also have glands that secrete peptides with potential antibiotic and pain-killing properties, which are being studied for human medicine. Frogs use their eyeballs to help push food down their throat. Hyenas are often thought of as scavengers, but they're actually skilled hunters too. In fact, spotted hyenas hunt up to 70 to 80% of their food themselves. Hyenas have one of the strongest bite forces of any mammal, strong enough to crush bones. Hyenas are highly intelligent. Polar bear is the largest bear species and the largest land carnivore on Earth. A large male can weigh as much as 10 grown men. Polar bears are listed as vulnerable on the IUCN Red List. Their greatest threat is climate change, which is causing the sea ice they depend on for hunting, breeding, and traveling to melt at an alarming rate. Shoebills are carnivorous. They eat fish, frogs, water snakes, baby crocodiles, and even small turtles. The shoebill's large bill helps it grab slippery prey and crush it instantly with its sharp edges. Shoebills are usually solitary, preferring to live and hunt alone. Cows are mammals, which means they give birth to live babies and produce milk to feed them. Cows are one of the main sources of milk, butter, cheese, yogurt, and cream. A healthy dairy cow can produce over 25 liters, 6 gallons of milk per day. Ostriches are flightless birds, but they make up for it with their incredible speed and size. Ostriches are the largest birds in the world, standing up to 9 feet, 2.7 meters tall. Ostriches are the fastest running birds, reaching speeds of up to 70 kilometers per hour, 43 miles per hour. Lions spend up to 20 hours a day resting or sleeping. They're most active at night, nocturnal, when it's cooler for hunting. Lion cubs are born blind and helpless, with faint spots that fade as they grow. Lions live mostly in Africa, in savannas, grasslands, and open woodlands. Secretary bird is a large, long-legged bird of prey found mainly in sub-Saharan Africa. Secretary birds prefer open grasslands and savannas, where they can easily spot prey on the ground. Secretary birds can fly, but they prefer to run, only taking flight to reach nests or escape danger. Ducks are aquatic birds that live near ponds, lakes, rivers, and marshes. They belong to the Anaeidae family, which also includes geese and swans. Ducks have a special oil gland near their tails. This keeps them dry and warm, even when swimming all day. Ducks are omnivores, meaning they eat both plants and small animals. Flamingos belong to the Phaenicopteratae family. Flamingos are very social. They live in large colonies that can include thousands of birds. Flamingos build cone-shaped mud nests to keep their eggs safe from flooding. Flamingo chicks are born gray or white. Kangaroos are herbivores, eating grass, leaves, and shrubs. Kangaroos can't walk backward. Their large tail and strong legs make it impossible. Kangaroo mothers can pause their pregnancy until their current joey leaves the pouch, a process called embryonic diapause. Eagles are birds of prey, raptors, strong hunters with sharp eyesight and talons. Eagles have incredible vision, up to 8 times sharper than human eyesight. Eagles can see ultraviolet light, helping them detect traces and movements of prey. Eagles have strong, hooked beaks to tear meat easily. Giraffes were long thought to be mostly silent. However, recent research suggests they hum to each other, primarily at night, and they also communicate using snorts, grunts, and moans. Giraffes have the shortest sleep requirement of any mammal. Giraffe populations are declining. Scorpions are arachnids, related to spiders, ticks, and mites. Scorpions live on every continent except Antarctica. Scorpions have 8 legs, 2 pincers, and a curved tail with a venomous stinger. Scorpions glow under ultraviolet UV light due to chemicals in their exoskeleton. They look neon blue or green. Await gentle pats and friendly hellos. It's a hands-on celebration that nurtures empathy and wonder, creating an unforgettable first chapter in their lifelong friendship with creatures great and small.